Hello. This is one of them air misters. Cool mist. Honeywell. Well, it ain't too well right now. Got some nice little trinkets on them. Whatever that is, looks like a inline fuse. Off and on switch. Oop. Yeah, a little piece of brass right there. Buried underneath that. That's cool. See another piece of brass in there. I have no idea what that is. Might be an inline fuse, I'm not sure. It went in the shred bucket. There's another little piece of brass. Okay. This should fall through so I can get you off of there. Oh. Hydro cord yet. Power cord. That better? I had someone complain about the way I talk. I'm sorry, but that's the way I talk. Got screws and everything in there. Looks like spring dinghies. Look at that. Same idea as in a microwave. That means I have to get the squirrel cage off to get you out. I can pop your little cooler off at the back. That's a start. Yeah, I have to take the whole thing apart. Think any of these screws are stainless? That's what this thing does. I didn't take the whole bucket. I just took the motor. Don't need the whole bucket. Because this thing just moves water through air. Couple screws there yet. I might as well take off. They're just tiny little guys. Surprised a bit of my screwdriver fits in there. There. Alrighty. That's just plastic. Garbage. We're getting closer. He has a fandangle little clip on there that holds him on. And then get the side cutters on it. And just had to bend it up. Boom. Nice little squirrel cage. Come on. Actually could be good if you want to hang on to stuff. Bounce, bouncing, more bouncing. What's holding you in? It looks like not much. Gravity. Maybe. Oh, there we go. I'm looking on the wrong side. Four screws. Boom. What garbage? Oh, the garbage can is that big and I can't even hit it. Come on, get out of there. Okay. It comes apart same as most of the motors. It just pops out. I'm going to take this part off first. cast. Couple pieces of nice cast. Okay, we'll stick him in the vise. Pop him out. There's my screwdriver for that jobby. Come on. There you are. Just stare right at it for 10 seconds and you can't see it. It's a little thicker, so it's a little harder to get out. But he's out. Pop that out. It's just steel. Yeah, both sides are buggered up. There. Think it's copper. That's irony aluminum. Right? Knife. Voila! Look at that. I was gonna say silver and gold, but it's red and gold. Come out that way. There you go. On the floor you went. Why not? Everything else ends up. You may as well too. You can bend and pick it up. I don't know, does Carmack 1 watch my channel at all? I'm going to be in your neck of the woods tomorrow, buddy. If you do watch my channel, you got to go to Stony Creek. I know you're in that neck of the woods. See me driving down the highway and give you a wave. I don't know if I'll have time to stop. There, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Two-tone. Two-tone gold. Now it's just going to unwind like that. That's fine. I think you're seeing this. If you don't get all the little pits off, it likes to catch. No, just the one's hung up, that's all. Almost there. Ooh, that's a lot of gold on this one. Come on. There we go. Pick it all up off the floor. No, I don't have my scale out here. I didn't know what I was going to be doing out here today. I didn't know how cold it was going to be. I got my hood off. It's not too shabby in here. Come on. Not a bad little copper ball, huh? What do you think? That's why I picked those up. I know they always have a copper motor in them. It's a machine that puts humidity in your house. Same idea as a paper shredder or garage door opener. They all have nice copper motors. picking up the little bits of hydro. Oh, look what you got attached to you. That's not good. Can't have that. We've got a little chunk of brass on the end of it. Don't know how much more I can put in that bucket. I still got to take that off. That's still good. Goes with the number 2 copper. I'm going to take these guys apart right now. Sorry, don't mean to bounce you around like that. Just got to get the... If I don't clean this up, then it becomes dirty aluminum. It don't pay a whole lot. Not as good as cast aluminum. It has a little crap in it that you got to clean out. There, see? Simple. Now it's clean aluminum. Oop. See, it doesn't take much to clean that, does it? There. 2 pieces of clean cast. I'll throw them in the bucket right away. I know they're not very heavy, but they do add up. Now I see this guy. Looks like they might be soldered to the steel. And we'll see what happens. Cut them on this end. Pull them out this end. Oh, yeah, see, drop it on the floor. See, that's what I mean. It's a nice little piece of copper. Goes in the number 2 bucket. I don't know if I can get it off the rest of it. Another broken piece off. I can get it off of here. It might be attached to the steel. Yeah, it kind of is. You can't put that in with steel on it. You won't be impressed with that. We'll try and push it out the other way. Nope, it won't go that way. I have to take it this way. There, got it out. That's half. The other piece is nicely attached too. There we go. Oh, come on. You want to come out, you know you do. I heard you say it. There we go. Come on, yay. Like I said, it was welded to it. So that one most likely is too. Hey, if we get 99% of it, we're happy. Right? You gotta leave that one little piece attached, I don't care. These will break right off. You welded like the rest. Yep, you are. Oh, it came off. Little piece broke loose. As long as there's no steel on it, that's what counts, right? Come on, you're coming out. Oh, you don't want to come out that way. You get a hook on you. I see. There we go. Pull them out the other way. Boom. Now the motor is clean. Sorry for the snot nose. But that's one of those, what do they call it? It's a humidifier. There we go. It puts humidity in the air. I knew I'd think of it eventually. The old brain just don't work like it used to. Because the old brain is 59 years old this year. See if any of these guys are stainless. Come on, you're with water. You should be all stainless. Oh, CC scraps. You want to know where I got these? Company called Princess Auto here in Canada. I think on your side of the creek. Harbor Freight. Check them out. Because I do believe Get Her Done Granny asked about one too before, and she found one. I think she found it at Harbor Freight. So check it out. They have, you can read that. They're 27-inch long handle, 25-pound capacity. It's a pickup tool with a quick release. But you gotta watch it. This plastic is very, very cheap. It cracks really easy. Once it cracks, you get dirt in there, and then the magnets don't sit flush on the plastic. They sit higher, and then they don't pick up anything. But see, look at that. You got a little bit of a traction. No, maybe not. So I got 4 stainless steel screws out of that thing. You'd think they would have all been stainless. So in the stainless bucket you guys will go. You can tell stainless from other screws. They have a duller finish. They're not as glossy. And of course I could put 4 screws that look like this and you can feel the weight difference. Stainless is heavier. Something new. Never had one of these before. I think they're an air fryer. It's called Flavor Wave Turbo. Never had one before, so this is all new to me. Use stainless, negative, just chrome steel. That's all it is. It's a glass tube. Wow. See that? You're tin too, aren't you? Yep. What a shock. Screw. I just pulverized it. Okay. I hope I don't break this thing before I get it in the bucket. Looks like all it does is emit light. There, it broke. Okay. That one's undone, that one's undone. That one's undone. This one would not come undone. See if we can get this fan off. Oh, sure. Not a problem. It might be aluminum. It's bending very easy. No, it's tin. Wow. You pay an arm and a leg for this crap, and that's what you get is crap. One screw won't come undone. Now maybe you will. I spun you a couple times. Well, I buggered you up. Yeah. Get the snips out. I'm fighting the elements. Oh. Come on. Just tin for crying out loud. I don't want to break this glass that's here. gonna end up doing something like that. I just know it. Me and glass do not get along very well. Just ask my wife. Okay, I'm gonna fold you in half. I'm gonna get the glass out. A little steel trimmer on the glass. Do I worry about it? Nope. Unless I break it in the bucket. Okay. You gonna come off? No. Screws on these things. That one there, I think, maybe. No. I don't think there's that one. I really don't know. These knobs off. Come here, you little prick. Yeah, look at the screws holding you in, but that just holds that thing. That doesn't hold anything else in. There's a bell in here. Ding, ding. I just want that motor out. See, now we know what kind of motor it is. Might be a little cursing and swearing. I'll get back to you. Okay. We got the stupid thing apart. I don't think it's actually a stupid thing, right? But you know what I mean. In case I did a little cursing and swearing, I didn't need everybody to hear that. Might be brass in there. Might be. Sometimes they paint them to look like brass, you know. I'm going to bring you back over here so you're a little closer. You can see better. Yes. And Are you small enough? Negative. I'm not supposed to use you. I want to find out if these guys are brass. See that? They look brass. But they are not. Brass doesn't stick to a magnet. I had that feeling, but you have to check. Because I hate like heck to throw it in the garbage, in the shred. Oh, piece of clean cast. That one really looks like brass. But if the one isn't, the other one isn't, right? Put that screwdriver back too soon. Nope, definitely not. You can see it already. Boom. Looks so much like brass, though. Cheater, cheater! How dare you? Right? A piece of felt. Boom. Two pieces of clean brass, or brass. I got brass on the brain. Cast aluminum. Heater's doing a fine job. Now I gotta pop him out. See, you see the little cuts there? That's where they pop out. Little pieces of copper on this one too. They generally all do. If they're a motor like this, they'll all have that. I have no idea what it's for. Completes the circuit maybe. Don't know. I do not know. So I just pound him out. Pull him out with the pliers. It's easier than your fingers. In the shred bucket. Use the knife. Cut him open. Nice little piece of paper with tape. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? This one just snap off too. Yep, see? That's how I do it. This one's actually soft. And it's ripping. And then you pull it all out. There's like a million windings in there. There's the copper. Good old copper. Nice to see ya. So I did an earlier video of taking 3 fans apart. One was copper motor, the other one was not. Oh, gotta get that off of there. Can't have that on there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty shiny. Yeah. In the bucket you go. I just got to get that off and good to go. Stand you up a little higher. Snip. I can't teach anybody how to do this because it's trial and error. I'm getting these things out. I don't think anybody even thinks of it. Sometimes you gotta fight them. It's got a little hook on it. Cut it off. See? This piece of copper. Got a little hook on it. Cut it off. And push it through the other side. There, see? Don't fight and fight and fight. Do the same on this side. Try to snip it right at the bend. This one kind of wants to come out. Nope, he's gonna. So we're gonna cheat. We're gonna snip you on this side. There you go. I seen you bounce. And pull it out that way. And then you have a clean shred. That's a mic. Some people get away with it for being heavy. Yeah, I got my big coat off. I'm getting warm. 28 minutes. Want to see my ugly mug? So anyways, I got a box fan yet to do. Sitting way over there. Right there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can even see that. He's sitting on the floor here. You gotta do him up yet. I tried him, he don't work. He didn't even hum, so. And the switch has been busted on it before I got it, so. We'll get her done. It's a heavy little bugger. He should have some nice copper in there. But on that note, yeah, maybe I'll add it to this video. Give me a few minutes and take it apart. Alrighty. Magic of television. Almost like a ceiling fan motor. That's just tin, iron and aluminum. So that's what we have. Do you think it's copper? We'll find out. Oh, everything's just busting. I knew this fan didn't work. The copper wire. Low grade copper wire. Here, I'll bring you a little closer. This one's going to be taken apart a little bit different. Hopefully we have enough time here because we're running low on juice. Find out if it's even copper or not. Give it a quick cut. I don't know. Right? Yep, it's copper. It's hard to cut. Okay. More to cut through. Yeah, this will come out as singles, so copper. Let's see if this thing will cut quicker. Oh yeah. Yeah, you cut right through. You didn't. No, no, you didn't. You didn't cut all the way through, you bugger. You lied to me. Shame on you. More copper. This is an easy one to take apart too. This is nice. Hey, see? Box fan. I put the frame in the shred bucket, so because it was steel. And you get a nice copper motor out of the deal. Right? Can't argue with that. That's copper. Ooh. So Mr. Scrappy picked up his wife from the hospital. Apparently she had a touch of pneumonia with the flu bug. That's a nasty thing going around, man. My wife went in for her update appointment after she was in, and it turned out she had a touch of the pneumonia too. So, and with her asthma flaring up, that didn't help matters either. And me and my bronchitis, geez, we're just a good bunch. And the older you get, the harder it hits you. So anyways, good to see Amy home, nicknamed the Reaper. I really don't like that name, but hey, if she likes it, that's her, not me. Oh, look what I just threw away. Did you see what was on there? Hopefully we didn't run out of time yet. Those little copper pieces right there. See them? Okay. With the magic of television, I got them out. Nice little pieces of copper. Right there. See that? Ooh. Like, subscribe, and share that. Have a nice day.